Forgot that this was for YouTube. So far, we've gotten the Braves, John Gill, Astros, Anderson Brito auto, numbered 9 out of 99, so 3 nines. Kyle Karras, numbered Zach Cole, 63 out of 499, and now numbered out of 75, Christopher Acosta for the Brewers. Right there, that's a nice color right there. At all times. I showed him, I just forgot the YouTube to turn it on. Then we have Matt Olson, Braves, 132 out of 499. Oh, I see what you mean. It's just that they're back to back to back to back to back. I got you. My bad. I forget that you guys don't see what I see. And the James Wood rookie card. Red rookie. I appreciate that. All right, that's going to change. I got you. First, more space. All right, one or two, guys. One or two. What do you guys want? Which one's next? I like the color on this. One. Oh, you guys are perfect on that one. One. All right, let's do it. I'm going to put the cards aside and sleeve them after for you guys, all right? That way everyone sees it, or just put it in front. So we start off with an out of 50 card, Mike Trout for the Angels, 21 out of 50. Just leaving this one in a second. Leo DeVries, we got our first auto, 63 out of 99. You know what? I'm just going to do it this way. You can see it, right? All right. As long as you guys can see it, we're good. Mike Trout out of 50, 21 out of 50. It's a nice number right there. We got an autograph for Jordan Sanchez for the Orioles, 63 out of 99. Numbered auto. Nice. We got an Elvin Garcia auto for the Orioles. Here we go with the auto, and then there's one more auto for the Yankees. I see you can see it there, so no point in mysteries. Yankees, Manny Cedeno. I want to get some crazy stuff here. Oh, numbered 489 out of 499 for another Yankees hit there. Numbered for the Rockies, 242 out of 499. Numbered for the Guardians, 79 out of 99. And a red rookie, Luis Angel Acuna. Let me sleeve these up, guys. All right, another number here. Chase Delander, 249 out of 299. And the last number here was Steven Marinez, 489 out of 499. All right. You win some, you lose some. Yeah, it happens often, guys. We win some, we lose some. But we've been winning normally, so we still have a pack here. Exactly. Hopefully this one has a heat. All right, you guys ready? Mike Trout in the beginning again, except no number there. Meteoric Rise. First auto, Diego Torres. Feel like we've gotten his auto a few times. It's all right. First auto, Harold Rivas for the Boston Red Sox. Next auto here. Chris Rodriguez, Detroit Tigers, 277 out of 299. I think the next card's pretty good, so I'm not going to show it like that right now until I pick it up. It's blue. Oh, I've been told this is a pretty good one. Paul Skeens, number 25 out of 125. I think a better number would have been better. Usually Paul Skeens' number is pretty good.
Paul Skeens is good.
Ooh, so many numbers, I mean. We got Chase, 85 out of 250, numbered. It's a nice number there. White Sox hit. Nationals hit. 34 out of 150. Brian Cortesia. Then we got Jack Caglione and red rookie Moises Balestro. Huh?
Cubs?
Yeah, Cubs. Red rookie. All right, guys. So that means that the case hit has not been hit yet, and we still have the last three. The last three from the new case. But let's go over all the hits first. All right, here we go. So we start off with Jordan Auto, 63 out of 99. Elvin Garcia Auto for the Orioles. For New York Yankees, Manny Cedeno Auto. Mike Trout, 21 out of 50. Numbered Steven Marinez, 489 out of 499 for the Yankees. Rockies numbered 242 out of 499. Juniker Caceres, 79 out of 99 for the Guardians. A lot of nines today. And the red rookie, Luis Angel Acuna. All right. Christopher Acosta, 39 out of 75. Sorry. For the Brewers. Zach Cole for the Astros, 63 out of 499. Numbered Braves, Matt Olson, 132 out of 499. Rockies auto and numbered 9 out of 99. That's a cool number. Anderson Brito auto for the Astros. John Gill for the Braves auto. James Wood red rookie. And to finalize it, Diego Torres auto for the Braves. Boston auto for Harold Rivas. Nice Detroit Tigers, Chris Rodriguez auto and numbered 277 out of 299. Paul Skeens, 25 out of 125, numbered. Moises, red rookie for the Cubs. Brian Cortesia, Nationals. And Chase Medroff, 85 out of 250.
Yeah, I wouldn't buy a single one of these.
All right, guys. So, you know what that means? It means that they hit. That was a tough one. But you know what it means? It means the hits are here, my friends.
I'd rather pay out after they get graded than
Watch. Whoa. Boom. Last boxes of the case here. The case hit is live, guys. Empty box. Case hit is live, my friends.
Take them out before we just to verify that.
All right, let's see. Next. Yeah, next should have some heat, guys. This next one should have some big heats.
no, this is 1941. I was looking for 1940.
All right.
475. It's graded in 1. Authentic alters are for 11.
I'm going to put this up, and I'm going to set it up right now. So, thank you, YouTube, for this first one.
What is the